Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the wildest factory-built off-road beasts ever to roll out of Jeep's garage, the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392. If you've ever wondered what happens when raw V8 muscle meets legendary trail-rated capability, you're about to find out. Buckle up because this Wrangler doesn't just climb mountains, it dominates them. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing looks as aggressive as it sounds. The Rubicon 392 stands taller and wider than a standard Wrangler, thanks to its factory 2-inch lift and beefy 33-inch all-terrain tires. The hood bulge with functional vents isn't just for show. It's there to feed air to that massive V8 underneath. You've got bronze-colored tow hooks, unique 392 badging, and a bold, muscular stance that makes it clear this isn't your average trail toy. From the rock rails to the steel bumpers and the unmistakable 7-slot grille, everything about this Wrangler screams power and purpose. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends rugged durability with modern comfort. The leather-trimmed seats with 392 stitching give it a premium feel, while still being tough enough for muddy boots and dusty trails. You've got a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a customizable digital gauge cluster, and a premium audio system that sounds just as good blasting down the highway as it does echoing through the mountains. Now for the heart of the beast, under the hood. This is where the Rubicon 392 earns its legend status. Powering it is a 6.4-liter HEMI V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. That's enough muscle to launch this brick on wheels from 0 to 60 in around 4.5 seconds, which is absolutely insane for a Wrangler. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system, giving you both brutal acceleration on pavement and unstoppable traction off-road. Add in heavy-duty Dana 44 axles, locking differentials, a 2-speed transfer case, and a performance-tuned exhaust that roars like a muscle car. And you've got a machine that's as thrilling as it is capable. Let's talk price. The 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392 isn't cheap, but it's not trying to be. It starts at around $92,000, and with options, it can climb even higher. But when you consider that you're getting a factory-built V8 Wrangler with extreme off-road hardware, luxury features, and supercar-level acceleration for a 4x4, it starts to make a lot more sense. This is a niche vehicle, built for enthusiasts who want the absolute best of both worlds. On the safety front, Jeep didn't hold back either. The Rubicon 392 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and a rear-view camera. You've also got a reinforced frame, stability control, traction management systems, and multiple airbags to keep you protected whether you're cruising the highway or crawling over rocks. It's rugged, but it's also smart. So to sum it all up, the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392 is a dream machine for hardcore off-road lovers and performance junkies alike. It delivers insane V8 power, legendary Jeep capability, premium comfort, and bold styling in one unstoppable package. It's not practical for everyone, and it's definitely not budget-friendly. But if you want the most powerful, most extreme Wrangler ever built, this is it. And that's our review of the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic car reviews, and drop a comment below telling us what you think of this V8 monster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.